Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the message and confirming the attachment is a zip file. You must download it rather than preview. Once you click the download arrow, make sure the browser saves it to a folder you can access easily, like Downloads or Desktop. If Gmail shows a Google Drive link instead, choose Download from Drive. You do this because extracting requires a full local copy. Cloud-only previews cannot be unzipped directly. You now select an extraction tool. Windows Explorer or Mac OS Finder work for standard zips, while 7-zip or WinRAR handle unusual compression. Once chosen, right-click the zip and pick Extract All or Extract Here. If prompted, set the destination folder. Make sure there is enough free disk space because extraction writes all files to disk. If a password prompt appears, that means the archive is encrypted, and you'll need the sender's password before you can proceed. You finish by opening a few extracted files to verify they work and match what you expected. Check file sizes and types. If files fail to open, consider two likely causes. The archive was encrypted with a password, or the download was corrupted. Once done, re-download the ZIP from Gmail and try again, or update your extraction tool. If it's encrypted, contact the sender for the password and then repeat extraction so you can access the content.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.